All right, well, I'm about to take the kids out we are going on a ride. You guys ready to go for a ride?
Yeah.
Are you ready to go for a ride?
Yeah.
Are you ready to go for a ride?
Yeah.
All righty, we are going for a ride.
Be careful.
Be careful, because it's still snowing. Shut the door, please. Shut the door, please. All right, everybody, let's go.
Whoa.
Be careful, it is slip out. Let me get in front of you, Cortez. Let me scoot up. Stop right here, because you have to come on this side, Cortez. Come on this way. Hold on. Where's Caleb? Everybody in the car, let's go. Don't slip. Come on. Everybody in the car. We're going for a ride. Get in the back. Get in the back. Hurry up. We're going for a ride. All right, everybody ready for a ride? Is everybody ready?
There's no seatbelt right there.
There is a seatbelt. Is everybody ready to go for the ride?
Yes, we are.
Are you guys ready?
Yes.
All right.
David said no.
Okay. Everyone buckled in? Is everyone buckled in?
No.
I put Caleb's seatbelt on.
Okay. All right, here we go.
Wait.
All right, we're there.
This is too strong.
Okay, everybody out.
I hope.
Everybody out. We're there. Okay. We made it. Okay, everybody get out. Come on. We're there.
I thought we go for a ride.
We did go for a ride. Went for a ride in the driveway. Let's go. Come on, everyone out. Isn't this wonderful? This is beautiful. Oh, look, we're at a new destination. This is beautiful. Put your hat on your head, son. Come on, hurry up. No kick in the snow. Nothing. Come on. Wasn't that fun? Wow. Come on. Hurry up. Here come Caleb. Wow, that was, whoo. That was dangerous. All right, let's walk down there.
No.
Be careful now. Oh, wow, this is just wonderful. Oh, whoo. Yeah. Okay, everybody come back. Everyone come back. Come on.
I see you got snow everywhere.
Snow everywhere. All right, come on, let's go. Forward, let's go. Let's go. Everybody back in the car. We got to go back home now. Back in the car. Hurry up. Buckle up. We're not at home. Be quiet. Get in the car. Hurry up. Everybody in the car, buckle up. Whew, get in the car. Hurry up. Get in the car. All right. Okay. Everybody in the car?
Yes,